So this is themed for the perfect divorce. So welcome everybody to my YouTube channel. Today we're back to making cake pops. I like to read a lot, okay? Read, listen to audiobooks, several different factors of that. Recently, Jeneva Rose's new book, The Perfect Divorce, came out. I'm in several different book clubs, and one of my book clubs decided that when it came out, we were going to read it. And that was the next book on our book club list. So we are going to be having our book club later on today. So I figured, what better way to celebrate book club with the new book that just came out than to make red velvet cake pops for the book club in the theme of like how Jeneva Rose does her books. The Perfect Divorce, or Perfect Marriage and Perfect Divorce, white covers, like red slashes through them, indicating something about murder. Spooky.
Hey there, big dummy. Move fast. Her name is actually Jeneva Rose. I've been saying it wrong. I know.
We got our mixer. Got my cake box ingredients here. So we're gonna put our cake box, my God, recipe in. It just calls for a half a cup of oil, a whole cup of water, but we replace that with whole milk and then 3 eggs. And then we're gonna do a half cup of sour cream. So we got our 2 10-inch cake pans. We're gonna go ahead and preheat our oven to 350 so we can go ahead and get these bad boys in. So we're gonna go with red velvet because I kind of want that red center. Hopefully we don't have to use any artificial dyes to get to the red I want. I want it like a red velvet. I want it a little bit redder, but we'll see what we get. So we're just gonna pour the whole bag of our cake mix in. So then we're gonna do our half cup of oil, our whole cup of milk. Now we're gonna crack our eggs. One. Two. 3. We can't eat it yet, baby. We're gonna drop our mixer down. So we're aiming for about a half a cup. Then we're gonna lock it in.
Yeah, lock it in.
Yeah, lock it in, huh? So now that we have it locked in, we simply turn our mixer on. Don't touch, baby. We increase the speed.
Oh, yeah, it's faster. It's faster.
All right. That's looking good and red. Don't it, baby? Look good?
Yeah.
So now we're gonna get our cake pans. Make sure you spray your cake pans, okay?
It's your baby.
It's called red velvet. Alright. We have our 2 cake pans, 10 inches, and our red velvet. All right, our oven is preset, and we're just gonna put these cakes into the oven and let them rise up. First cake. And then it just drops right in. Cake 2. We blend. Log it in. Start ripping it up. Now, I use a little cake scooper, so all my balls are still like the same size. All right. Yeah, I started reading a few years ago, got really into it. And last year, I was a few books short of my goal of 100 books for the year. Yeah, I was hoping to hit 100 books last year, but didn't make it. I was a few short, 96. This year, I've been going at a slower pace just because I kind of burnt myself out last year in reading so much. So this year, I'm going at a slower pace. I think I've only read like 11 books this year. So going a little bit slower and just kind of enjoying what I've been reading. So in here, I got my chocolate. I have a little burner here to keep my chocolate warm, and I just have it on low. I'm just going to take my stick and dip it in. So this is themed for the perfect divorce. I wish they all looked like that. I tried.